Good afternoon, everybody. It's Lynn here again from LML Apothecary. Good afternoon, everybody. It's Lynn here from LML Apothecary. Hope the day is progressing well for you. I'm here with another unboxing. I did one this morning and didn't realise that my subscription parcel was going to arrive today as well. I knew it was on its way, but anyway, I'm here again with another Earthly Alchemy. This is the Witches Chest. It's a magical subscription box. And this is my first one from them. So I was certainly, the one that I did this morning was on an order that I placed. I'll put a link to it in the description box below. That was just for some resins and herbs that I purchased for myself, for my own supply. Anyway, we will see what this little box has to offer. So let's see what's going on here. Oh, I love black tissue paper. Yum. So we have the Earthly Alchemy newsletter. So it gives us some updates for October. It talks about Beltane, the spooky season, and a witchy soup recipe. Oh, how cool. So I'll read through that later on with a cup of tea. So this month's box is all themed around Hecate, or Hecate, depending on how you pronounce it. And she is Queen of the Crossroads. So I will see what we get. I'm just knocking everything over on my desk, and I mean everything. Let's see what this is. So as I said, this is my first box from them. I have, I need scissors. Hold on one tick. I haven't received, this is my first one, so I haven't received one of their subscription boxes before. So it's well protected. Oh, nice. So this is Crossroads Ritual Powder for external use only. Do not ingest. Okay, I'll have to read about that and see what we use that with, but that looks interesting. See if I can show you. Look at all the herbs in there. Very nice. And then we have this little bundle of goodness. Oh, nice. Oh, look at that. Get there. It's got a little skull embedded in it. I like it. I haven't burned one of these candles before. I know that you can, I've seen on YouTube where you can heat them up and unroll them and then put herbs in, like in between, and roll it back up. Might give that a go as well. That's lovely. It's natural beeswax. What to do next? Oh, this is an Earthly Alchemy Hecate incense blend. Might be childproof. I might have to leave it till later to undo. Oh, I wanted to smell it. Oh, goodness me. It is coming. Wow, that is well and truly on there. Yep. Oh, yep, got it. Oh, oh, that smells divine. Let me just flick some of it everywhere, but I can see herbs, I can see resins. Oh, that's divine. Juniper berries. Oh, yum. Rose petals by the looks of it. Very nice. I'll try and put the bits back that I flicked everywhere. But that actually smells slightly minty. Very, very slightly minty. I won't put the lid back on super tight. Or maybe I should, because knowing me, I'll spill it. There we go. Oh, what is this? This is Night Queen Ritual Oil. And it has fractionated coconut oil, dried hibiscus, dried rose hips. Essential oils are geranium, lavender, rose otto, jasmine, and bergamot. I've got all of those separately. Oh, let's try that. Oh, that's nice. It's quite mild though. Sometimes I find, especially with lavender, sometimes I find it's quite, it can be quite overpowering. It's not, I love lavender, but it's not my most favorite scent. And sometimes I find that it's so overpowering that it gives me a headache. But that's lovely and mild. And I don't know if you can see inside the bottle, there is, like herbs and stuff in there. Can't really see because the label's covering it up, but how cool. Then we have, they're really well packaged. Oh, this is Earthly Alchemy Dawn Potion. So the ingredients are orange blossom, hydrosol purified water, styrex, benzoin tincture, almond oil, polyglycerol, coconut sugar complex. Essential oils are sweet orange and lemon myrtle. Oh, I love. Oh, that's divine. I love citrus. Oh, I'll be using that all the time. Might just move that box out of the way to give me a bit more room. And this is the last little bundle of joy that we have. It feels heavy. Oh, wow. Look at this. That is one beautiful key. That is divine. It's really heavy. Like it's wrought iron. It's really beautiful. Wow, I am so very impressed with my very first Earthly Alchemy subscription box. Let's see if I can turn them all up so we can get a good final shot of everything. Maybe there. There we go. So this is about all working with Hecate. She's not a goddess that I've worked with previously. My patron goddess is Ellen. So I tend to just work with her, but I'm willing to give it a go. That's wonderful. Anyway, some good reading. I've got a newsletter to read, some information to read, and I'm really, really impressed. Well done. Well done, Earth Alchemy. I'm not sure what happened yesterday, but the part that I filmed for the documentation wasn't included, so I'm just re-recording it. So we got this little sheet, which is a little prayer or invocation to Hecate or Hecate. And then we got this information sheet on her. So this side just tells about her as a deity. On the back then we've got her names, sacred day crystals, elements, colours, herbs, familiars, offering symbols, baneful plants, realms, and parents. So really good information. The cardstock is really strong as well, and they come in these cute little folders. Really cool. And then the next one that we've got is all about Beltane, which is obviously the next Sabbat that's coming up. On this side we have a little bit about Beltane, then we have some rituals that we can do, and on the back we've got various names, the timings for southern and northern hemisphere. We've got altar decorations, crystals, animals, colours, botanicals, trees, deities. So, and beautiful illustrations. Really lovely. This reminds me of Ceranos. He's beautiful. Got a statue of Ceranos. Yeah, so that's cool. Anyway, I've now included those for the second time, but it's all good. I'll see you next time. Bye.